Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. This is the Extra Step CEO YouTube channel where I share business tips, where I talk about ideas that can help you in growing your business as you go about your entrepreneurship journey. I also motivate you, inspire you to monetize your skills. There are so many skills we all have that can be a means of extra income for us. Then on this channel as well, I'll be reviewing some products that I use in my everyday life as an entrepreneur that makes the journey easy for me. I would also be reviewing some software that I use in this journey, some platform that has helped me, that has built me up as an entrepreneur. So if this sounds interesting to you and you really want some information from me, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that when I put new videos up. In my previous video, I said I was going to make video for photographers, so this is the video. So if you're a photographer or you have a skill in photography, or you want to build a business around photography, then this video is for you. Let's go right into the video. So in this video, I'll be sharing some tips with photographers, something that can help you in your business journey, and I think you would find it interesting and valuable. All right, so the number one tip I've got is build a niche around your photography business. Yeah, I'm sure every day, everywhere we hear build a niche. As a photographer, build a niche around your photography business. Don't just make yourself a photographer of call me if you have any events, or I'm available. No. Make yourself a highly sorted after photographer. You could say you want to build a business around taking pictures of newborn to age 5, age 6. It's not everybody that has got the skills to take pictures of newborn babies. It's not everybody that wants children in their studio. That's number one. Then number two, you need a website. Yeah. Why do you need a website? This is where you sell your digital images, your still images, downloadable images. So you need a website where you can upload your pictures and that people will go there to buy. So think of it. Start thinking of ways where you can sell digital images and prints. And the first place you can sell it is your own website. Then in that website as well, you should have a gallery where people can come to and download some pictures for free. This is the way you attract them. That's the extra steps we're talking about. They come, download, and before you know it, you're upselling something else for them. And they'll be like, oh, so this is what I've been looking for. Like, I need to put this as a banner behind me. Or like, props for photography. So think about this. When people browse your website, give them an opportunity to buy pictures, give them an opportunity to buy packages, and you will be happier about the outcome. You can also sell stock images on websites. There are some websites I will leave in the description box where you can put up your stock images and you would be paid. So I've done my own parts by getting this website. So your own deal is to go to this website to see how it's being run. If it's something you'll be interested in, then take a plug-in. Then another thing that you can do as a photographer is get a makeup artist. That's another way you would stand out. People would want to come to your studio to take pictures because you have a makeup artist. So they're not worried or bothered about the fact that, who will glam me up for this picture. Start thinking of ideas of how you can be sorted after. Not just, I am available for your pictures. No. Make them come after you because of the services you would give them, because of the extra steps you are taking. My wonderful photographers, these are tips that will help you start selling your pictures online. Build a collection of photographs. Put them up in galleries. Put them up in places that it can be downloaded and you'll be paid. Go to some websites online and look at what people are searching for picture wise, what they want to download. That can help you. These are ideas I've given you work on these ideas. This is a new year. It's still the first month of the year, so make 2020 count as a photographer, as a graphic artist. The other day, when I was looking for a Facebook icon and Instagram icon that I want to put on my business card, I paid for it online. I didn't it was not free, and it's not like I printed it. I only downloaded it so that I put it on my business card that I created on Canva. Yeah, because I didn't want the ones on Canva. I wanted something unique, and I went, oh, these are stock pictures, so this is something you can do. So these are great ideas that you should implement, that you should work on as photographer. If you're in the business already, or you're still thinking you have a passion for it and you want to build a business around it, explore these ways, and you will be surprised at the outcome. So in the comment section below, if there's any other way you know that photographers make money, or that can bring in money for graphic artists, please share with my audience. We really want to know any other way money can come in as a photographer. This is how I am interested in knowing. So let's share ideas, let's talk about it, let's help people around us with this information. And as you help people with information, you'll be helping yourself as well. Thank you for watching to the end. Until I come again some other time with some more juicy information, I am your Extra Step CEO. If you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, hit that notification bell so that when I have new uploads, you'll be notified. And all my existing subscribers, thank you for always coming back. I appreciate you. Thank you for your comments. My video for the first time. If you have questions about your business, or if you need some more explanation on some things that I've shared on this channel, please send me an email. My email is always in the description box. And thank you so much. Until I come again next time, see you in the next one. Bye now.